We're back in the shop, guys, with more problems. Big Blue is down bad. Check it out. You might have seen our video of us going through that low water crossing. Well, this axle pinched this airline and blew it, but also this hose smooth cracked off. Look at that. So we ordered the replacement parts, and that's what we're gonna be doing for probably the next couple of days. Our friend is picking up the parts now. They got delivered today, so we'll see how far we get. It was already being negative. Thought we were gonna have to torch these off, but he got it off pretty easy, huh?
No, not these.
Which ones? Those?
Yeah, I'm not worried about this.
We'll see. Asking me questions I don't know the answer to, because I don't even know what. We are just gonna take them off of the frame. That's what you mean?
No, just this piece is getting replaced.
Oh, okay.
So we're taking
just the bottom
loose,
part, and then
these
just
loose.
those little U-bolts.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're not taking all this loose and all that.
Okay. It's like they already welded this side up one time. This is not an original plate. So I'm glad it broke where and when it did. Blake's gonna see if he can get these U-bolts off without torching them. I don't know though. They might, if it's already broke once, they might not be that old. Here we go. Easier to just cut them off.
Yeah, I ain't gonna sit here and bang on it.
Yeah, no point.
Might want to go moves.
Yeah. Watch your head.
You can see about getting a socket to fit that big bolt over there.
Okay.
And we'll try and get it to turn loose after this.
Yes, sir.
They might need a little hot.
It's hot. So what exactly, we're just replacing this bottom half, so do we have to weld it right here to the axle?
It's not welded to the axle.
Yeah, it is. This?
Well, it's not supposed to be.
That's probably their Amish engineering, huh? Let's go see if the other side's welded. This side is welded as well. Oh, got a little hole in there.
It's green.
Yes. I don't think so, man. We couldn't get this bolt out down there, so we tried to torch it off, and that still didn't work. So we did some Googling, and we found this guy's video, and he said the only way he can ever get them off is he welds like this huge bolt or this huge nut to it, and then he just like gives her hell with the impact. So that's what we're trying right now. I'm not trying shit. Blake's doing it. Here is what we're. This has
been a Blake job.
Yeah, I have not done anything today. Here's what he's gonna weld it to. There's the nut. So yeah, let's see how this goes.
3 nuts.
I've been not even really supervising. I haven't been doing shit. This is what I've been doing. Booking loads and drinking claw.
It was pretty. I knew the person working the margarita stand.
It didn't work.
And
This is our last ditch effort. We can't get this bad boy off. Yes!
That don't matter. I still got to get that pin out.
No, I know, but we're a step closer. God dang. Yes, look at all that. Uh-oh. You want no water? I think we have success.
No, I need a longer one.
Longer bolt?
Yeah.
All right, 1 second.
Still going.
Woohoo! There it is. God. That thing was so rusty. Look at all that. Just watch your leg. Yes!
Well, that's smooth. She's off.
How do you feel about that?
Sorry.
I'm so proud of you. You killed it. Blake did the damn thing on that. Yes! Look at that rusty junk of shit. Hunk of shit. How good does that make you feel?
It'll be even better when it's not in here.
Yes! Here's our new piece. So here's the new piece. This is what we couldn't get out, and these are what we couldn't get out. They were seized up in there. So there's not a whole lot I can do on this, honestly. So it's easier said than done, but I feel like putting it on and back together is gonna be a lot easier than what Blake just went through. Statement.
I hope so.
I hope so too, baby. You're doing so good.
The longer you're out, the more leverage you have. That's too high.
There you go.
Hammer. The top of this to me. Just a little bit, like quarter inch, a little bit more. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Push it. You're not doing anything. A little bit more. Remove, that's the only time I move it. That airbag is helping you because it's not letting you fucking tear more. That's all you have right there. Stop for a second. Hold it.
After fighting for our lives and probably a lot of trips to the chiropractor for me, we got it on. We got it on, we got it in the right spot. We just have to put the bolts in that airbag. He's putting the U-bolts in now. And then we have to put the bolts in the bottom of the airbag back here, hook up the one airline, put the wheels and tires back on. I'm definitely editing a lot of cussing out of this video.
And then we can hold it for
You got any of that size?
yeah, they're the I got that size right there on them. I think they're 5/8.
Got them fuckers.
Huh?
Got them fuckers in there. Oh, okay.
You gotta use like just a ratchet in a short socket.
Yeah.
It's your dog.
Oh. All right, so last step before the wheels and tires is this little airline.
That's being a cap on.
I got this airbag tightened down. He got the rear airbag tightened down. I can tell you after hauling water all night and all day today, it's the last thing we wanted to do, but we have loads booked out till the end of next week. Full throttle all day, every day, so we need this truck. So we gotta get it done. Tell me about this airline.
It's about done. You too. Me and the airline.
Yeah, same. We need a lot of Advil tonight. That's what he was working on. We got this airbag mounted. We just gotta hook this little airline up right here. Got the U-bolts on. What you need?
Something to cut this zip tie.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all remember, but last time I was sitting on the floor like this doing this, I got stung in my ass by a bee. We did it.
That's beer 30.
You don't even drink, so that's saying a lot. There it is.
Sealed.
We got it done. I think I may or may not have destroyed my favorite jeans, but that's all right. They make more. Now we just have to change the U-bolts on that front axle on the driver's side.
That's not bad.
No, that won't be bad at all, but I do not recommend doing that. If you have the time, the cash, the space, the extra vehicles, drop that piece of shit off at Peterbilt and let them do it. I'm not joking. I am like the very first one that would be like, oh no, you can do it, it's easy. Don't fucking do it, or just replace the whole goddamn axle. That's all I have to say, and that's saying a lot. So, all right, thank you for watching. Blake?
Later, my guys.
Thanks, guys. Lola? Tell the people that you love them. Lola, over here, over here. Ooh, ooh. Lola, Lola, hey. Over here, over here, over here. Say, oh my gosh, bye, bye.